Try getting inside the box over here. Aw, you're so sweet. He'll rub on the box. What do we want him to be? An astronaut, a superhero, a cowboy? Are you a superhero, Bean? I bet if I give you some treats, you'll get in the box, huh? Let's try putting one in the box first. He's rubbing on the camera. You want a treat? You gotta get inside the box. Gotta get in there. He's gonna get it from the other side. I thought he was gonna just walk through the back. Silly goose. We only got so many tries before you reach your treat limit. Come here. Okay. Now. Whee! No, he's too smart. He'd come around the other side. Come on. Don't go through the hole, you gotta go through. No, too smart. Oh, he's gonna go to the source to get his own treats. He got his whole body in there. Come here. Oh no! He's like, I want to take my treat and get out of here. You get an extra treat for being a good sport and trying for mommy to get in the box.